Alright, there it is. Boy, that is exciting. I can't believe how quickly that went after being without it for so many months. So I'm going to zip tie that right there probably. But let's see if it starts. Man, that would be great. So first of all, let's turn on the propane. Hey! Oh, not even pointing it at myself. Well, it held pressure, which is awesome. I'll leave that stuff there. Oh look, stuff in the way. No way. So, panel on, ignition on. Takes a while for the propane to get to it. There we go. So I don't know if I've ever done a good video on this thing, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, oh man, I love this generator. It's nice and quiet, runs on propane so the carburetor never gets gummed up. That is cool. Wow, it's got some leaves in the exhaust or something. Oh man. So yeah, this generator also has an air compressor on it. That's what that tank is on the front. Right there. Tube, and you can blow heat into a manhole. So that's my air right there. This tire could use a little bit of air. So that should be the drain over here. Gets the moisture out. Also, the cool thing is that it comes with air hoses on reels. Look at that. So, I don't have an air chuck here. So, I'll go get one. Yeah, check it out. These hose reels. Pull my hose out, put air in the tire. There we go. have to yell anymore. So yeah, looks like it works. That's awesome. Now if the power goes out, I can have power and heat. That makes me really, really happy. Alright, I can't do this with one hand, you know, I can't do everything with one hand. So yeah, Pelsue generator, no idea how big it is. I don't know, it's about this wide by that long. Yeah, love this thing. Thanks for watching.